Hey friends, welcome back to Daily English Talk, the channel where real English meets real life.
I love today's topic. We are talking about taxis.
Lily, the app said $17.50. What is happening right now?
Don't worry, Tom. I'll handle this.
Yes, and Tom, before we start, be honest, have you ever had a taxi disaster?
Have I? Oh, I have so many stories. One time, I got in a taxi, I gave the driver my hotel name, and he said, "Where is that?" And I said, "I also don't know." I just showed him a photo of the lobby.
A photo of the lobby?
He recognized the curtains. The curtains, Lily.
Okay. So that is exactly why today's video is so important. By the end of this lesson, you will know every phrase you need, from calling a taxi on your phone all the way to paying the driver.
And we are going to show you something really useful today. What to do when a taxi driver tries to charge you more than the app price. Has that ever happened to you, Tom?
It happened to me last month, and I didn't know what to say. I just paid like a very confused tourist.
Well, not anymore. Today, we fix that. Let's go.
Before the story begins, we have a question for you. Listen carefully and find the answer inside our conversation today.
Here it is. What phrase does Lily use to show the driver the confirmed app price?
The answer is somewhere in our story. When you find it, write it in the comments. Even one sentence in English is great practice. We read every single comment.
Every single one. So don't be shy. Write it down there.
Okay, are you ready for the story? Let's go.
Lily, we made it! The airport! We are here!
We are here, finally. Okay, let's get our bags and find a taxi.
Oh, I see taxis outside. Lots of them. Let's just jump in one.
Tom, wait. Don't just jump into any taxi.
Why not? A taxi is a taxi, right?
Not always. Some taxis outside airports have no meter. They can charge you anything they want.
Anything?
That's why we use an app. I already have one on my phone. You open the app, you type in your destination, and the app shows you the exact price before you get in.
Before you even get in? So you know the price already?
Exactly! No surprises, no games. The price is confirmed right here on the screen.
Okay, that is actually brilliant. Show me.
Okay, so I type in our hotel, the Blue Harbor Hotel, and look, the app says the fare is $17.50. Fixed price.
Fixed. I love that word. Fixed. The price cannot change.
Cannot change. Okay, a driver just accepted our request. His name is Daniel. He's 2 minutes away. Blue sedan.
What is a sedan?
A sedan is a regular four-door car, not an SUV, not a van, a normal car.
I knew that. I was testing you.
Of course you were.
Oh, I see a blue car. Is that him?
The license plate matches. Yes, that's Daniel. Let's go.
Excuse me, are you Daniel?
Yes, that's me. Are you Lily?
Yes, hi, Daniel. Thank you for coming so quickly.
Of course. The Blue Harbor Hotel, right?
That's right. Can I put my suitcase in the trunk?
Absolutely. Let me open it for you.
Lily, he's so nice. I love this already.
Tom, get in the car.
Please, make yourselves comfortable. And don't forget your seatbelts.
Of course. Safety first. Seatbelt on.
Now you care about seatbelts.
I always care about seatbelts. I'm a very responsible person. Hey, Lily, how long does it take to get to the hotel?
The app says about 25 minutes, maybe a bit longer if there's traffic.
Traffic, the great enemy of every taxi ride.
Don't worry, I know a good route. Not the main road. There's congestion there. I'll take the Riverside Road. It's a little longer in distance, but usually faster.
Congestion? What does that mean?
Congestion means a lot of traffic. Too many cars on one road, like a traffic jam.
Oh, like when everyone is stuck and nobody moves.
Exactly. Very good. The Riverside Road is much smoother at this time of day.
Smoother? Does that mean the road is soft?
No, no. Smoother means the journey is easier, less stopping and starting.
Aw, English is so poetic sometimes.
You're right about that.
Oh, look, Tom, we're almost there. I can see the hotel.
Oh, wow, it's beautiful. Look at that building.
Here we are, the Blue Harbor Hotel. I'll stop right here.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Daniel. That was a smooth ride.
So the total comes to $26.
26?
I'm sorry, did you say $26?
Yes, $26. The road was longer because of the detour, and there was a surcharge for the airport pickup.
Lily, the app said $17.50. What is happening right now?
Don't worry, Tom. I'll handle this. Daniel, I understand, but when we booked through the app, the confirmed price was $17.50. It's right here on the screen. Can you see it?
Well, the app doesn't always account for the route I take.
I understand that, but the app price is a fixed fare. It's confirmed before the ride starts. The route doesn't change the price with app bookings. That's how the system works.
She is incredible.
Let me check my app. Yes, I see. The confirmed fare is $17.50. I apologize for the confusion.
No problem at all. Thank you for checking. We really appreciate it.
Lily, that was amazing. How did you stay so calm?
I just knew the facts. When you know the facts, you don't need to be nervous.
Facts. I need more facts in my life.
So, can I pay through the app or do you prefer card?
The app payment is fine, or you can tap your card here.
I'll pay through the app then. Done. You should get the notification now.
Got it. Thank you very much.
Lily, should we give a tip?
I think so. Daniel was a good driver. He explained the route, he was polite, and he corrected the price when we showed him.
I agree. Let's add a tip through the app. There, I added $3. Keep the change, Daniel.
Oh, that's very kind. Thank you both so much. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you. You were wonderful. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a great trip.
Okay, wow, that was a lot.
Was it scary?
A little when the price was wrong, but you handled it so perfectly.
The key is always check the app before you get in. The confirmed price is your protection.
Confirmed price, protection. Got it. I'm writing that on my hand.
Please don't. Let's go check in. I'm exhausted.
Me too, but I feel like I learned so much today. Congestion, fixed fare, surcharge, sedan.
And you remembered all of them. I'm impressed, Tom.
Don't be too impressed. I still don't know what a curtain is in English.
Tom, curtain is an English word.
Oh, right. Okay, let's go.
Okay, before vocabulary, let's look at one key grammar point from today's story.
Which part?
Did you notice how Lily talked to the driver when the price was wrong? She didn't shout, she didn't demand, she used polite, clear English. That's called polite correction.
In English, when something is wrong, we often say, I understand, but this shows you are respectful and confident at the same time.
For example, I understand the road was longer, but the confirmed app price is $17.50. Very calm, very clear, very powerful.
So the word but is like a magic word?
Kind of, yes. You acknowledge the other person first, then you say your point. It's polite and effective.
I acknowledge that this grammar lesson is great, but can we do vocabulary now?
See? You used it perfectly. Let's go.
8 vocabulary words and phrases. Let's break them down one by one.
A fixed fare is a price that does not change. It is set before the ride begins.
When you book a taxi through an app, the price you see on the screen, that is the fixed fare. The driver cannot charge more.
Example, the app shows a fixed fare of $17.50.
Beautiful phrase. Very useful. Confirmed means agreed, accepted, official.
When the app shows your price and you press book, that price is confirmed. Nobody can change it.
Lily said this to the driver. The confirmed price is right here on my screen. Powerful, right?
A surcharge is an extra fee, an additional cost on top of the normal price.
The driver said there was a surcharge for the airport pickup. That means extra money for starting at the airport.
Some surcharges are real and legal, but with app bookings, the surcharge is already included in the fixed fare, so you don't pay extra.
The app protects you. I love technology sometimes.
Congestion means heavy traffic, too many cars on one road.
There's congestion on the main road. This is a very natural phrase. You can use it in cities, airports, highways, anywhere.
Tom, do you have congestion on your street?
I have one neighbor and a cat. The cat sometimes blocks the road. Does that count?
Cat congestion, a new vocabulary item.
A detour is a different route, not the main road. You go a different way.
Sometimes a detour is shorter, sometimes it is longer, but the key word is it is a different road from the normal one.
Example, the driver took a detour because of traffic. Very natural English.
The trunk is the storage space at the back of the car. In British English, it's called the boot.
Boot, like a shoe. Why?
English is a mystery, Tom, but in American English, trunk. Can I put my suitcase in the trunk? Perfect phrase.
Smooth does not mean the road is soft. It means easy, comfortable, without problems.
That was a smooth ride. Means the journey was comfortable and easy.
You can also say smooth journey or everything went smoothly. Very useful in travel English.
Keep the change means the extra money is for you. You don't need to give it back.
For example, the fare is $17.50. You give $20. You say, keep the change, and the driver keeps $2.50 as a tip.
It's a kind and generous phrase. Drivers appreciate it.
Oh, I felt so good when I said it in the story. Keep the change, Daniel. Very confident.
Review time. I give the situation, Tom gives the word or phrase. Ready?
So ready. Let's do this.
The price on the app that cannot change.
Fixed fare.
Too many cars. Traffic is very bad.
Congestion.
The driver goes a different road, not the main one.
A detour.
An extra fee on top of the normal price.
A surcharge.
The journey was easy, comfortable, no problems.
Smooth ride.
Yes, perfect, Tom. Now, everyone at home, say the words out loud with us.
Ready? Repeat after us.
Fixed fare.
Fixed fare.
Congestion.
Congestion.
Detour.
Detour.
Surcharge.
Surcharge.
Smooth ride.
Smooth ride.
Keep the change.
Keep the change.
Amazing! You just practiced 6 essential taxi words. That is real English, right there.
Let's do a quick summary of everything we learned today.
Today, Lily and I arrived at the airport and needed a taxi to our hotel.
Step 1, don't just jump in any taxi. Use a taxi app. The app shows you the fixed fare before you get in.
Step 2, check the driver's name and license plate in the app before you get in. Safety first.
Step 3, put your suitcase in the trunk, put on your seatbelt, and enjoy the ride.
Step 4, if the driver takes a detour, you can ask politely, is this the fastest route?
Step 5, and this is the important one, when you arrive, if the driver asks for more than the confirmed app price, stay calm. Show the driver the screen and say, "The confirmed price is right here."
Be polite, be clear, know your facts. The app is your protection.
Step 6. Pay through the app or by card. And if you want to be kind, say, "Keep the change" for a tip.
6 steps. You are now a taxi expert. I am also a taxi expert. Kind of.
You're getting there, Tom. Okay, before we go, do you remember the question from the beginning of today's video?
What phrase did Lily use to show the driver the confirmed app price?
The answer is, "The confirmed price is right here on my screen." That is what Lily said to the driver. Polite, clear, and confident.
Did you get it right? Write your answer in the comments. Even one sentence in English is great practice.
And if today's video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Daily English Talk. We upload a new English conversation every single day.
Every day. So come back tomorrow. There is always something new to learn.
Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember,
Your English is getting better every single day.
see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye, and keep the change.